Look at these delicious fish sticks. So crispy and brown and perfectly cooked straight from frozen. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen fish sticks in the air fryer. What we need for this recipe are frozen fish sticks and the cooking spray. So let's take out the air fryer basket and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray so the fish sticks don't stick to the air fryer. Now next, let's open a package of frozen fish sticks. And now I will put frozen fish sticks in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And now let's put the fish sticks in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees and I will set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the fish sticks. Look at these delicious fish sticks. So crispy and brown and perfectly cooked straight from frozen. So easy to make. These are perfect. Now let me try it. The outside is so crunchy. And the inside is so soft and delicious. Perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.